Welcome back. Now, as of the recording of this video, if you were to go to the analytics section and you were to check little software stats and load average, you'd find that neither one of these programs are installing. However, in the other section, Fantastico does have available to you PHP system information. And so we're going to install this copy. We're going to write in this information, and then we are going to click Submit. Once we do that, we'll then click Proceed. And when we click Proceed, then Fantastico will start the installation process. Once the page has been installed, we can then click this link. And when we get this information, not only will we be getting insight on our server, but we'll also get insight on our system and how it interacts with our server. And of course, when you look into the suggestions area, you can find similar installations that will give you some of the same information. So in some cases, when the program isn't working properly, you can find what you need in this Others section. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.